Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine from SpanishPod101.com. In this video, we'll be talking about common slang expressions. We're here at the Liberated Tar Pits. Now let's begin. ¿Qué onda? What's up? Hello. When you want to greet somebody in a casual way, you can use this expression. It means what's up, hello, or literally what's the wave. Be careful when you use this phrase as it's very informal, so you should only use it with your friends. For example, when you see a friend, you can say ¿Qué onda? ¿A dónde vas? Meaning what's up? Where are you going? Or ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo has estado? Meaning what's up? How have you been? Mande, excuse me. What did you say? When your friend tells you something and you didn't get it, you can say mande, it means excuse me, or what did you say? For example, mande, me dijiste algo means what? Did you say something to me? Qué padre, cool, that's cool. I use this sometimes when I see something cool, qué padre. It means cool, that's cool, or literally, that's a father. In a sentence, you can say, qué padre la película. That means that movie was so cool. Qué padre la pasamos, which means we had a great time or a cool time. Ándale, come on, chop chop, that's right. This word, ándale, literally means walk, but you can use it to mean come on, hurry up. When you want to ask someone to hurry up while doing something, you can simply say ándale. For example, ándale, apúrate con el trabajo means come on, hurry up with the work. You can also use this to mean that's right. When you agree with your friend, you can say ándale. A morir, very much. When you see a lot of people or a lot of something, you can use this word. A morir, it means very much or literally until death. For example, if you have more projects than you can handle, you can say, tengo proyectos a morir en la universidad. This means I have a lot of projects to do in the university. But you can also use this expression to say something lovely. For example, te quiero a morir, meaning I love you to death. No manches, no kidding, oh my God. Here we have no manches, which means no kidding or oh my God. It literally means do not stain when you have to express this belief or surprise in a very informal setting. You can use this slang. For example, you can use it as no manches, ¿cómo pudiste comer tanto? This means oh my God, how could you have eaten so much? Crudo or cruda is hangover. I don't drink that much, but when you know someone or see someone that drinks a lot, you can say this word and remember it, crudo o cruda. If you see a friend of yours that has a hangover, you can say tacos en la mañana que ayudan con la cruda. This means tacos in the morning help with the hangover. Or if you drank a lot last night, you can say ando bien crudo. That means I'm so hungover. Okay, that's all about common slang expressions. And if you really want to become fluent and speak Spanish, the very first lesson, go to SpanishPod101.com. I'll see you there next time. Hasta la próxima. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine from SpanishPod101.com. In this video, we'll be talking about top 5 phrases to make you sound like a pro. We're at the Liberated Tar Pits in Los Angeles, California. Let's begin. Pilar con las manos en la masa, to catch someone red-handed. When you find somebody doing something she or he shouldn't be doing, you can use this expression. When people hide something, you can use the expression pilar con las manos en la masa to mean to catch someone red-handed. Literally means to catch someone with their hands in the dough. Using this word, you can say los pilé con las manos en la masa, copiando en el examen. I caught them red-handed cheating on the exam. Or nuestro padre nos pilló con las manos en la masa, un día queríamos salir de fiesta escondidas. One day our father caught us red-handed when we wanted to go out to a party. Tener mala leche, to be in a bad mood, to be angry. When you are really angry, you can use this expression to make you sound like a native. Tener mala leche. It literally means having bad milk, and you can use it to say be in a bad mood or very angry. For example, if you notice someone in a bad mood, you can give a warning using this expression. Cuidado con Nuria, que cuando saca la mala leche no hay quien hable con ella. It means be careful with Nuria because when she's in a bad mood, nobody can talk about her. Be careful and do not use this in front of someone who is angry. Meter la pata, to screw up, to make a mistake. It literally means to insert a paw, and you can use it to mean to screw up or to make a mistake. For example, if you see someone who made a mistake and you want to talk about it to your friend, you can say metió la pata con su comentario. That means she screwed up with her comment. Or you can say no vayas a meter la pata en tu cita, to mean don't mess up and be late. Again, this is an informal expression, so do not use it with someone older. Costar un ojo de la cara, cost a pretty penny to cost a lot. When you find something very expensive and want to describe it like a pro, use this expression. Costar un ojo en la cara. It literally means to cost an arm and a leg. Using this word, you can say, ese celular me va a costar un ojo en la cara. This means this cell phone is going to cost me an arm and a leg. Here's another example. Me costó un ojo en la cara arreglar el carro. This means it cost me an arm and a leg to fix my car. Ser pan comido, to be easy piece of cake. When you want to express that a task is very easy to do, you can use the word ser pan comido. It means to be easy or a piece of cake, or it literally means to eat a piece of cake. Using this word, I can say el examen fue un pan comido. This means the test was a piece of cake, or it means it was very easy. Okay, that's all about top 5 phrases to make you sound like a pro. And if you really want to become fluent and speak Spanish from the very first lesson, go to SpanishPod101.com. I'll see you next time. Hasta la próxima. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine from SpanishPod101.com. In this video, we'll be talking about top 5 phrases your teacher won't tell you. We're here at the Libera Tar Pits. Let's begin. ¿Qué rollo? What's up? Hello. When you want to greet people informally, you can use this expression. ¿Qué rollo? It literally means what's up. The word rollo literally means roll, but when it's used to greet people, it's like the English expression what's up. Be careful when you use this word. If you use it in a formal situation, you might offend another person. Literally means what roll. If you use it in a formal encounter or with an older person, they might get offended. Using this word, you can say hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué rollo? Which means hello, what's up? How are you? ¿Qué rollo con tu vida? It means what's up with your life. Ser uña y mugre, to be close friends, to always be together. This word literally means to be nail and grime. You can translate it to be close friends or to always be together. It's like the English expression thick as thieves. When you describe your very good friend with whom you spend a lot of time with, you can use this expression. Using the word, you can say, mis primos son uña y mugre, which means my cousins and I are thick as thieves. Or you can say, cuando era una chica, mi mejor amiga y yo éramos como una mugre y uña. This means when I was young, my best friend and I were really tight. Te pasas, you have crossed the line. You are too much. Te pasas literally means you passed the line, or you are too much, you've crossed the line. When you want to tell someone that you're surprised or you can't believe what they've done, you can just say, te pasas. It's very informal expression, so don't use it unless you're very close to the person. Using this word to say, te pasas, no debiste haber hecho eso. This means you've crossed the line, you shouldn't have done that. Or te pasaste, loco. It means you've crossed the line, you're crazy. Me choca, it bothers me. Here we have me choca, which means it bothers me. For example, you can say me choca cuando no hay internet to mean it annoys me when there's no internet. Estoy muerto, estoy muerta. I'm very tired. It literally means I'm dead. When you're so tired and cannot do anything else, you can use this phrase. Use estoy muerto if you're a man, or estoy muerta if you're a woman. It means I'm very tired. In a sentence, you can say, "Qué día tan largo, estoy muerta," to mean what a long day, I'm so tired. O estoy muerta de tanto estudiar, to mean I'm so tired, I've been studying so much. Okay, that's all about top 5 phrases your teacher won't tell you. And if you really want to become fluent and speak Spanish in the very first lesson, go to SpanishPod101.com. I'll see you there next time. Hasta la próxima. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine from SpanishPod101.com. In this video, we'll be talking about top 15 favorite words chosen by our fans. We're here at the La Brea Tar Pits. Let's begin. Amigo means friend. I believe you'll be hearing this a lot in Mexico. When your friend calls you, they will just say amigo, which means friend. Mexican people are so open to meeting new people, so don't be afraid of making friends or amigos. Using this word, you can say, me encanta salir con mis amigos, which means I love to go out with my friends. Araña, spider. I'm not so sure why someone picked this as their favorite word, but I guess it's probably because of its pronunciation. In Spanish, spider is araña. I don't like spiders personally, so I'd say, las arañas me dan mucho miedo, which means spiders are really scary to me. Bello means beautiful. Here we have bello, which means beautiful. You can say it to say you're beautiful, or also to say something is beautiful. For example, ese dibujo es muy bello. That drawing is beautiful. Contenta, happy. This word is probably my favorite. I want to use it more often. The word contenta means I'm happy. For example, if you take a test and it's difficult and you passed it, you can say estoy muy contenta porque aprobé el examen. That means I'm very happy because I passed the test. Mexico, Mexico. That is one of my favorite words too. Mexico, the name of my country. I believe many of you already know it sounds different when you say it in Spanish than in English. In Spanish, we say Mexico, not Mexico. If you have friends in your home country and want to visit Mexico, you can say todos deberían visitar Mexico, which means we should all visit Mexico. Hello, hola. I think many of you started speaking Spanish with this expression, hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? It means hello, how are you? Pingüino, penguin. I guess some of our Facebook friends picked this word because they like penguins, but I'm not sure anyways. Pingüino is the word meaning penguin. Using this word, you can say, me encantan los pingüinos de la película de Mary Poppins. I love the penguins from the movie Mary Poppins. Primavera, spring. That's my favorite season, spring or primavera. Me encanta cuando las flores florecen en la primavera, which means I love when the flowers bloom in spring. Saludable, healthy. I think it's one of the important words that I need to keep in mind, healthy or saludable. You can use this word as in comer una hamburguesa todos los días no es saludable. This means eating a hamburger every day is not very healthy. Helado, ice cream. I don't like sweets in general, but I do love ice cream. In Spanish, ice cream is helado. In a sentence, you can say, mi helado preferido es el de vainilla. That means my favorite ice cream is vanilla. Izquierda, to the left. Unlike English, you can say to the left in just one word, izquierda. It's not very easy to say when you try it the first time, but izquierda. You can use it when giving directions. For example, para llegar al restaurante, que girar a la izquierda. It means to get to the restaurant, you have to turn left. Amor, love. Love, love, love. I believe many of our Facebook fans love this word. In Spanish, it's amor. For example, you can say, ¿Es el amor lo más importante para ti? Meaning, is love the most important thing for you? Fiesta, meaning party. Who wouldn't like to know how to say party in Spanish? It's fiesta. For example, you can say, Cuando era estudiante de universidad, iba a muchas fiestas. This means when I was a student at the university, I used to go to a lot of parties. Ferrocarril means railroad. I think our Facebook fans picked this one because it's a tongue twister. Ferrocarril means railroad in English. Es difícil pronunciar ferrocarril. It's difficult to pronounce ferrocarril, railroad. Señorita, miss. I think you've heard this word a lot in movies or TV shows. You can use it to refer to a young lady. Make sure to use it at the right tone so that it doesn't sound rude. Señorita. In a sentence, you can say, Esa señorita baila muy bien el flamenco. That means that young lady dances flamenco very well. Okay, that's all about our top 15 words chosen by our fans. And if you really want to become fluent and speak Spanish on the first lesson, go to SpanishPod101.com. I'll see you there. Hasta la próxima.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from SpanishPod101.com. In this video, we'll be talking about how to agree in Mexican Spanish like a boss. Let's begin. Eso es cierto. That's true. Sí, tienes razón. Yes, you're right. No podría estar más de acuerdo. I couldn't agree with you more. Eso es exactamente lo que siento. That's exactly how I feel. Exactamente. Exactly. No hay duda de eso. No doubt about it. Tienes un punto. You have a point there. Apenas iba a decir eso. I was just going to say that. Yo supongo. I guess so. Bueno, no estoy seguro. Well, I'm not sure. How was it? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. See you next time.